Portable hook and loop dispenser pays out and cuts hook and loop tape to make custom length cable ties for organizing bundles of wire or cable of any size. Strong, flexible, hook and loop tape material securely holds and mages large bundles of cable without damaging conductors or jackets. Cut tape to desired length with easy, one-handed cutting action using the integrated cutter to make custom length cable ties to suit the job or task at hand. Heavy-duty belt clip securely attaches the dispenser to a belt for portable usage. Powerful magnets for mounting to any ferromagnetic metal surface such as tool chests, cabinets, panels or steel doors. 1 2FOOT roll of black hook and loop tape included with dispenser to get started maging and organizing wires and cables. 2 5FOOT replacement rolls of hook and loop tape available in black or white. Cat nose 450 to 950, 450 to 960, sold separately. Portable hook and loop tape dispenser pays out and cuts hook and loop tape to create custom length cable ties. Strong hook and loop tape material securely holds large bundles of wire and cable, yet is flexible and supple to avoid causing adverse damage to conductors or jackets. Integrated cutter designed to efficiently cut the hook and loop tape with easy single-handed cutting action. Cutting mechanism is replaceable, CAT. No. 450 to 999, sold separately. Attached to belt with heavy-duty clip for portability and on-the-go flexibility. Mount to steel surfaces such as tool chests, cabinets, or panels with the integrated, powerful rare earth magnets. Use integrated keyholes for versatile screw mounting to non-magnetic surfaces. Includes a 12-foot roll of black, 3/4 inch wide hook and loop tape to get started, which can be easily replaced when depleted.